So we start out with the K2 together. I know you don't have a problem with this section yet, but I just go ahead and do the whole row. K2 together, yarn over, slip 1, K1, pass over the slip stitch. Okay, now we come to this yarn over stitch here that we have. So it said drop yarn over of previous row and make a new yarn over in its place. So what it means is to drop this yarn over stitch, just drop it off the needle like that, and then we're gonna make a new one to replace that. So we do yarn over on this one, and I'm not sure what come after that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and knit that. It could be K2 together, I'm not sure, but you just have to follow your instruction. But this is not what your question, so I'm just gonna, here's another one, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing there, and then we will go ahead and do the next row question that you have on the right side. So what happened is I'm just gonna knit until I come to the yarn over section, the one that you have a question. Okay, so now you see this, it's kind of a slip away here because we just kind of open it up. We got 2 yarn over right here, one on this row, the previous row, and another one on the row before the previous row. So make it 2 rows, right? So we're just gonna go ahead and knit these 2 rows together. Just put your needle right. Can you see? Let's see. I'm gonna flip my paper so that it get darker here, not too light. Okay, I don't know if that helped. So yarn over here and yarn over here. We knit these 2 stitches of yarn over together like that. So that will be your right side row, right? I'm just gonna knit until I come to my other example here. Yarn over, I have to find another yarn over right there. So we knit these 2 together like that. And then we move on to your next question on the wrong side row. And for the purl side, it's pretty much the same way, it just purl. Let me just pull this stitch out of the way. So here again, similar to the knit part. So you have here 2 yarn over stitches. So you're gonna basically do the same thing, except you purl instead of knit. You can just, there's different way to do. You can just pick these 2 up and put them on these stitches. And put them on this needle, and then purl like that. Or you can just drop it and then put the needle right behind them together and then purl like that. Okay, so that's all to it. Just your 2 yarn over stitches of the 2 rows and purl them together. So I hope that helped. Bye.